So Nadia's pregnant, she's over the moon excited. She's eating right, she's exercising, she's going to all her antenatal appointments. But the one thing Nadia cannot control is the surroundings outside her home. So there are two potential scenarios here. Nadia could step outside the door and encounter a green and blue oasis. Her house could have lush greenery within sight and a clean river not too far off. Alternatively, Nadia could step outside the door and encounter only gray concrete, not a tree in sight. What would this mean for Nadia's pregnancy? Or a better question might be, what would this mean for anyone's pregnancy? Because as time goes on and more people live and work in cities, scenario 2 is becoming more of the reality. And so my PhD aims to answer the question, how does the environment affect pregnancy? Now, there have been a lot of studies in this field looking at this relationship, but time and again, the results have been inconclusive. And even among researchers, there is still no agreement if green and blue spaces helps, hinders, or is completely ineffectual in pregnancy. Also, in the past, a lot of studies have looked at the impact of nature on pregnancy at one point in time. So that's a snapshot. But to really understand what's going on here, we need a different method. A method that follows people over time. And that's a study I'm conducting as part of my PhD. So I'm looking to see how greenness surrounding a mother's home could impact her and her baby's risk from suffering from a pregnancy complication. This could include postpartum mental illness, but also her baby's risk of being born premature. I'm also looking to see if the distance between a home and a body of water influences this relationship at all. To do this, I'm accessing anonymized health records to conduct statistical analyses. All the data I use has been scrubbed clean of personal information like names and birth dates, so my study participants' identities are always protected, even from me. My analysis is ongoing, but I have reviewed studies in this field and found that yes, green and blue spaces does lower a mom and her baby's risk from suffering from a pregnancy complication. This may be because nature could reduce pollution around a home, or it could encourage moms to get outside and exercise. I'm still working on my study, and I carry on because I know and I believe my work can feed into local government decisions. It can support greening initiatives across the UK, and it can support individuals like Nadia and her baby in having a healthy and happy pregnancy.